Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "No Nonsense Cops Give Sovereign Citizen a Reality Check." Man, I don't know what's up with these sovereign citizen things, but it's just one big scam to me. But all right, let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
28th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a truck for displaying an exempt tag.
Republic of the State of the Union, all rights are reserved for property. Alright.
How you doing? Hey, Deputy Bruno, Lake County Sheriff. The reason we stopped you is you don't have a proper registration on your vehicle.
Because I don't operate on the commerce, sir.
Right, but Florida law says you have to have a registered vehicle. It's operated in Florida. Can you rule this out a little bit? I've been having a hard time hearing you.
If you operate on the commerce, that's the only reason why you register your vehicle, sir.
No, the state of Florida says you have to have your vehicle registered to drive. Do you have your driver's license?
Then that would be a privilege, sir. I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know why. Why do I need to provide you with my driver's license?
Because you're operating on a Florida road.
So what did I do illegally?
The Florida law says you have to have your vehicle registered and you have to be operating under a valid driver's license.
Did I commit a crime? Did I commit a crime?
Yes, by not having your vehicle registered.
Okay, can you tell me the actual crime that I committed?
I don't know the exact number of it. Do you have a driver's license?
I need to know first.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
I need to know first.
No, I need to know if you have a driver's license.
No, sir,
all right.
It's my right to know why I'm detained.
Right, and I'm explaining to you why we stopped you.
And why do I have to show my identification?
Because that is the law.
Golf, Tango.
You don't have to agree with the law, but that is the law.
40.
Yes, because you're operating a motor vehicle on the Florida roadway.
But I'm
And the
not.
state statute states that you have to have identification. You have to have a vehicle on the road.
Oh, Sovereign?
That's the guy. I can't think of his name.
Because you're driving this vehicle illegally on a Florida roadway. If you're not willing to present your driver's license and your registration, then we're going to have to take this a different way.
Honestly, I think this guy is he's done a great job. He's got a lot more patience than I would have. I would have probably had him out the car already. I would have had his yoked up already. Get your sovereign ass up out of here, boy. What you thought you doing? I would have had his ass. Oh boy, yeah, I can't be no cop, boy. I tell you what. Yeah, I ain't got the patience, bruh. Do not got the patience for that, boy. And you know what really annoys me and like makes me even more mad is the fact that he just keeps asking questions and questions and questions. And it's like, do you have a driver's license? It's a yes or a no. It's not all this and all that and I'm traveling and I need to know first, whatever. No, what you need to know is, do you have a driver's license or not? It's a yes or a no. That's it. That's all I need to know. You know what I'm saying? Because this is back and forth and all of that. You gotta be I don't know, you gotta just be too nice to be a cop. It's just like, because you dealing with the public, you know what I mean? It's just like, boy, I would have had this sovereign ass yoked up already. Boy, get your ass about this car, man. Yeah, listen, I'll give you a lawful command to get your ass about this car, okay? That's about it.
I have a driver's license, but I don't know why would I would have to present that to you.
Because when you got your driver's license, you signed a thing saying that if you get pulled over by the police, you have to present it, correct?
No.
You have to have your driver's license, yes. If you read what it says, when you sign the back of it.
Commit a crime. But I have not committed a crime. I've not done nothing wrong. And just fully know, because you already know who I am. They know that I have not registered. All right. Because it's not against the law. Right now, I'm going to court.
Right? Worm and David.
2783.
Worm David. Worm and David.
You said you're fighting in court already?
Now, yes, I'm going
The same thing or what?
I'm 14, yes, for no registration vehicle. But it's not even, it's something that totally I had not to do with, and they're blaming me for something that I had not to do with. So, I just...
So it's for the same, operating the vehicle on the road without a registration, right? That's what you're going to court for?
Yeah.
I wonder how you got that ticket.
On his phone right at the window too.
So what's your name? Is it Danny? Your first name?
I don't need to have that anymore, but...
No, I'm just, so when we're talking, I can call you Danny, or what do you want me to call you by?
Whatever you want me to do.
Well, it doesn't work like that.
Car's not registered?
Yeah.
Go ahead and secure him. He's in there recording you right now.
All right, I need you to step out of the vehicle. All right, we're going to detain you.
For what?
Because you don't want to identify yourself, so we need to detain you. So step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
So I need you to step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, it's time to act right, man. You don't want to act right? We're going to get you together. You hear me? Yeah, about time, man. Damn, it's been too nice, man. Come on, man. Step out the vehicle, man. It's showtime, boy. I'm trying to get it all this popping there. Yeah.
He's not stepping out, you said.
And solving your ass
Step out
about
of the
this
vehicle.
vehicle, boy.
Yes. We're going to break the window. All right.
He said he's not stepping out. He said he's good in court right now for the same thing.
I know. He's not stepping up. I'd rather have Corporal come here and verify we can go and do whatever we do next.
Well, you got your stop sticks?
29, 27, go ahead.
What do you want me to do?
We want you to step out of the vehicle
I'm not stepping out. For what reason?
because we're ordering you to step out of the vehicle.
No, like for what? What crime did I commit? I'm sorry.
You have a window punch? He's got one. You probably want to wear gloves though. You might cut your hand.
You advised him while he was stopped,
Yes.
and you've asked for his credentials.
Yes.
And now he's saying he's refusing to step out of the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay.
Listen, I can get my license. Excuse me, so I can get my license. No need
You
to
step
get
out, or we're
arrested.
getting ready to break your windows. Step out of the truck, now. If he comes out, put him on the ground. Actually, don't put him on the ground, put him against there and fucking handcuffed.
What's that?
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Break it.
Step out now! I mean, it's not that serious. Oh, come on, guys. It's not that serious.
Not that serious?
No, like it's not that serious.
You want to play games?
I'm not. Come on, man. I'm just. It's my right, man. Like,
No, it's not your right.
It is my right to.
No.
No, we're not discussing anything with him.
Oh, I was giving my license out. Like, what is up with this? Like, this is not even.
Up to your knees.
Pennsylvania versus Mims.
Can I get my
Step out of the car. You step out of the car.
I did.
No.
I did.
No.
What are you talking about? You guys didn't give me a chance. Can I get my property, please? Why are you guys doing this, man? This is wrong, man. Like, yeah, man, it's just over a registered vehicle.
Right, and you had many opportunities to comply. I asked you many times.
I always comply. What is it that this?
You were not complying, sir.
So I got my.
This could have ended with a citation.
I got a valid driver's license, and I just wanted some answers. Like, it's my right to ask questions.
You're right.
And so it's wrong that I can't ask questions.
No, it's wrong that you didn't comply.
So, oh my God, this is so bad, man. Can I get my keys, please?
No, have a seat there.
My God, this is crazy. Can I get a phone so I can get my phone call?
No, you'll get all that when.
So I'm going to jail?
Yes.
For what? Man, like, this is, it's crazy.
This is he's a non-U.S. citizen. Does that mean he revoked or pronounced the citizen?
These guys are, I'm telling you, these sovereign citizens, they watch too much TikTok. They learn they right from TikTok, okay? This guy, I hate when people just act dumb. Oh, I was getting out my ID. It's my right to ask questions. And yeah, sure, you can ask questions all you want, whatever. But listen, step out the car means step out the car. That's what that means. Like, it don't mean step out the car and you just gonna continue to do whatever you want to do. Nah. It don't work like that. That's why I like Sarge. When Sarge came up, he was like, listen, when he step out, put him down. Hey, listen, we've been playing too many games the whole time. I think that the first officer was very nice. Like, he was very nice. He's a good officer. I can tell he's a good officer. Like, he had the patience. He was answering his questions. He was, trying to get stuff out of him. That first officer that was talking to him the most, he's actually a really good, I could tell he's a good officer, man. But listen, I'll be more like Sarge. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, listen, I'm not sitting here playing them games with you, man. My patience isn't that. It's not. I don't got top tier patience, honestly. Like, for the foolishness, nah, I really don't. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm like, what? Sarge said, boom, get the chopsticks, boom, put it under, so that way, boom. All right, hey. When they had him down on the ground, he was like, "It's my right." Listen, yes, you're right. Sarge told the officer, "Listen, we not going back and we not going back and forth with him." I don't know if y'all peeped that. Sarge directing everything, like boom, 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 boom. As soon as he step out, put him down, boom, boom. I said, "Oh yeah, I like Sarge. I ain't gonna lie to you."
Yeah, right. Here, though, that's the problem.
So
I've studied some laws, and it says that we have a constitutional right to travel. And is that not right?
Unregistered motor vehicle.
Huh?
Now it's an unregistered motor vehicle.
No, that'll be commercial vehicle. Then we're
commercial. It doesn't have a tag assigned to it or anything.
No, that's what I'm saying. If he had a tag, it would be commercial. That's what I'm studying. And it
Tags don't they say on the trailers that are like the exempt?
It's like I was complying. It's not like I did.
You didn't step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, I did step out the vehicle.
After I hit the window.
No, but I was trying to give you my license first. I was trying to give you my license first, and I was like, of course I'm gonna get out if you threaten me to break my window. Oh my God, man! Like, why you guys ruin people's life, man? Like, this is wrong. Like, for nothing. Like, I didn't do nothing to nobody, and you guys are trying to ruin my life. Literally, like, Like I have not done nothing to nobody, and all you guys doing is just to your own people, man. You guys are ugly for doing all this and making stuff up on an innocent person. On an innocent.
See, and this is what these people don't really be understanding: is unregistered, not insured. If he goes out and hits somebody else, right? Well, then what? Who's gonna pay for those damages? That was the thing, man. When I got into a car accident, not this January, but last January of 2024. And the only thing that I'm sitting there thinking about is like, I hope this guy got insurance. Like that, because there's so many people driving around hot right now. That's what I call it. You driving around hot with no insurance, nothing. And you get into an accident, you're screwed because this guy he ain't got the money or whatever. So you're gonna have to pay for your own vehicle out of pocket or through your insurance. You know what I'm saying? And it's just not right. You know, when somebody hits you or whatever the case may be. And this guy, he don't think about that. Like, think about it. If you're gonna get into an accident and you hit somebody, how is that person going to be compensated properly if you driving around hot?
Person?
500, right?
I think so. Judges want to abuse an innocent person. Ugly, man. Oh, man. I know this ain't gonna hold. When we fight this in the court. I might get all these other extra charges. I don't know why would you put all those extra in there when it's unnecessary.
Not providing your ID is unnecessary.
But I was.
It was unnecessary.
It's simple. Here's my driver's license. I don't want to answer any questions. That would have been. All right. Here's your citation. Have a good day.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.